Hello everyone, this is Fahim Ansari from RPIIT Institute of Pharmacy. Today we will discuss about the various type of classifications of ophthalmic preparation or ocular drug delivery systems. How they are classified. The main classification is according to the dosage form or state of the dose. First is the liquid dosage form for ocular use, second is semi-solids, and third is solids. Today we will and some of the others are used are injections and irrigation solutions, and third is implants. First we will briefly discuss about the liquid dosage forms types only. First is the topical eye dosage drops, which contains solutions, suspensions, and some of the powders for reconstitution, and that is the solution to gel system. First are the solutions. These are the ophthalmic solutions are sterile solution, essentially free from foreign particles, suitably compounded and packed for installation into the eyes. These are the generally the solid medicament is dissolved completely into the liquid, or both are the ingredient may be liquid. Next is the topical eye drops, how they are installed, or what are the characteristics of the solutions. Pull down the eyelids, tilting the head toward backwards, look at the ceiling after the tip is pointed close to the lower conducts. Apply a slightly pressure to the rub bulb or plastic bulb to allow a drop to fall into the air. This is the generally the procedure of administration of the drug into the eyes. And to prevent the contamination, you should use with clean hands, and do not touch the dropper tip where the drugs is administered, cannot be touched with hand. Nearly all the major ophthalmic therapeutic agents are water soluble generally. The selection of appropriate salt depends upon the solubility, ocular toxicity, the effect of pH, tonicity, and buffer capacity. The mostly ophthalmic preparations comes into the solutions category. And these are the some manufacturing techniques used for the ophthalmic preparation. Aqueous ophthalmic solutions, manufactured by the dissolution of all active ingredient and a portion of the excipient into the all portion of water, which is the primary vehicle or mainly used vehicle, and the sterilization process is to be done by heat sterilization or through filtration. The sterile solution is then mixed with additional required sterile components, such as viscosity enhancer, and to adjust the tonicity, and some preservatives also added. There are some of the disadvantages of eye solutions. There a very short time of solution stays in the eye surface. The retention time is very less. The contact of medicament with the affected area is very less as according to the solutions. The retention of a solution in the eye is influenced by the viscosity. It is poor bioavailability. A major 75% is lost through the next are the suspensions. Second is the drug is not sufficiently soluble, it can be formulated as a suspension, and for its bioavailability and efficacy is some of the are used for anti-inflammatory agents. Ophthalmic solutions should be used in a micro fine form. Usually 95% or more of the particles have a diameter of 10. These are the manufacturing techniques for suspensions. Gel forming solutions, the solutions which are solution in container, but when they are installed into the eyes, become gel on contact with the tear fluid and provide increased contact time, when the possibility of improved drug absorption and duration of the therapeutic effect. The liquid gel phase transition depends delivery system vary according to the particular polymer employed and their mechanisms for triggering the transition to a gel phase into the eye. The main advantage of the chance of temperature, take the advantage of change in temperature, pH, ion sensitivity lysosomes upon contact the tear fluids. Thank you.